Hey guys, Steve and Alex here from Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. Alex, we have a gun that's not even been released to the market yet. I think it released, what, in about a month or two it's going to be released?
Are you high? It's already released.
All right, it's already been released. In fact, we would like to say that...
Who says this? Who says this? All right, I just want you guys to know how our videos work. Steve comes, grabs me, he sits me down, he goes, hey, ready to do a video? And I said, yeah, I'm ready to do a video. What do you want to do it over? And he said, okay, let's research a little bit. And then he said, why? Let's just go in there and wing it. So that's what we're doing today. We're talking about the Smith Wesson M&P FPC, which stands for?
We want you to comment down below the most creative answer.
What's F?
Wins a t-shirt.
It's definitely not folding pistol carbine, but like
no.
Like
so we want to hear your most creative answers.
It's the
FPC, whatever it is.
FPC. So 9mm
we came up with
folding carbine by M&P. Is it like Dodge Ram? Is M&P becoming its own thing?
Right, Ram is now its own thing. It's no longer a Dodge.
I know.
Yeah.
All right, let's check this thing out. Come on up. Check out some features. Looks like we have M-lock rails on it. We already have an optic mounted on this one. It's about 30 inches, completely extended, 16 when it's folded. So it's really easy to fit in something like a backpack. It does come with a couple extra mags. I think 17 round mags and like a 30 round mag, something like that. Boy, because we came prepared. It does have a couple storage places for extra magazines also, which you might want to show them. Here you go.
Yeah. For those of you that are left-handed, you can reverse the mag release, so that's kind of nice.
All right, so extra magazines, make sure we put them in the right direction. They are really, really getting it next door.
Yes. Hopefully that's not too loud.
All right, boom. Extra mags, they're clicked in for storage. Now, Steve, unfold it. Show them what it looks like. Bam.
There it is.
That easy. It is threaded for all those guys that want a suppressor. It's the same grip as your M&P. It does have the nice upgraded flat face trigger, and like you said, you can reverse the mag catch on there. I think what you're going to see is this take over some of that Kel-Tec sub 2000 style market. But it's easy because, again, 30 inches overall, 16 folded up. You ready to shoot it, or are you going to play with it?
Yeah, let's shoot it.
All right. Let's go. Hop in there.
It's pretty neat. All right, so let's
go ahead.
I need some ammo. It's right there. All right, guys. What's really cool is that we're late in making a review for this. We hate to be the first out to make a video. We like to be the last ones to make the video.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Review it, yeah.
All right, let's load this thing up. And then come back, and by the time you come back, I'll have this loaded.
All right, so Alex has been kind enough to load up the mag. We have borrowed this rifle from a client. He got our first one that we had in. He was kind enough to let us use his rifle. He's not zeroed it yet, so we're not really looking to see if it's shooting so much at point of aim, but we're just looking to see if it's a tight group when we do
So show everybody real quick, take the mag out for me if you would. Show them how it folds. Like, what button do you hit to see how it folds?
All right, so right here is your folder, and that's gonna allow that thing to fold.
And so that's pretty easy compared to a lot of things I've seen.
Yep.
You know, where you have to kind of fold it in half or fold it back towards yourself, or even if it doesn't fold all the way, you still have the trigger guard. So I think it's a pretty good way of using that to fold. It is a little big right here, but what do you expect? It has to hinge somewhere. So, Steve, all right, do me a favor. When you're shooting this, make sure that the muzzle doesn't burn the paper. All right?
Got it. Hey. There it is.
That's nice.
All right, so the sight needs adjusted to go low and right. Go ahead and shoot a few rounds.
So, where'd you say it was hitting at? You're going to have to switch sides because I shoot left-eye dominant, so head over that way. Is this going to hit me right in the face?
I don't know. I don't stay on that side of the gun.
Oh, man. Here we go.
It holds a nice tight group.
It holds a nice group. So we'll adjust that for him to make sure. So as you can tell, group-wise, it's a nice group. Again, we're only about 10 yards. Shooting-wise, pretty soft.
Yeah, I was going to tell him we were at like 150 yards, but whatever.
It's 10 yards, I promise you. Overall, I thought it was pretty soft, but we're going to have to take and put some more rounds through it. We'll come back and let you know how that works out.
All right, so you got it zeroed.
We have everything zeroed in now. We've shot a bunch of rounds through it, made sure that we're good to go. Now, Steve, shoot a couple rounds, tell everybody what you think.
I don't want to brag, but it only took him about 80 rounds to get it zeroed. Yeah.
Never misses an opportunity. Never misses an opportunity. You know that? I'm really surprised he could see that far. So is it that magazine or does it not hold open on the last round?
It's probably where I rest my hand, but let's find out real quick. It may,
because we've never had it.
It locks open.
On the last round?
Yeah, it's probably where I'm resting my hand.
Okay, good deal. So we've showed you guys how you can store the magazines. Come on up real quick. We can store the magazines right here in the back. To charge it, to actually load around in there, pull back on these little tabs. It is ambi. Pull back, and that's how you'll charge your next round. Again, key mod all the way. Key mod, woo, that's a little outdated. M-lock all the way up here. The optics all zeroed in. It is threaded. All in all, it's a good rifle. I think it's at a good price point. Now, MSRPs are like six and a half, something like that, which a lot of those other ones are coming in a little bit cheaper, but I don't know if you're necessarily getting the quality that you're getting out of this one.
Right. Do you know what map is? I don't know what map is.
I don't know what map is.
I want to say it's around that $5.99 price point.
It probably could be, yeah, because MSRP was in the sixes. I saw that. All right, guys, so that was the Smith Wesson FPC. Again, we don't know what that stands for. You might want to tell us in the comments.
Most creative wins a shirt. Top shirt.
Who gets to pick who wins the shirt?
Probably you or me. Maybe Crystal, actually.
Crystal, you get to pick the funniest comment for what FPC stands for.
All right.
All right, guys. 9mm carbine by Smith Wesson. This is a thumbs up. This is a good one. I think that you guys are going to enjoy.
Is it by Smith Wesson? I thought we decided it was like the Dodge Ram thing. They're kind of spinning.
We don't know that.
Oh, okay.
I know that Smith & Wesson sends them to me, so I'm going to say by Smith & Wesson. All right. Check these out. We do have a couple in stock right now, and you'll see them at your local gun stores, I'm sure, coming up very soon.
Take care.